On Wrecker's bench. First off, my shop is a fucking disaster. Haven't even been here much. But look at what we have here. I had to stop by my brother's for a minute, and he said, "Here, take this. Something's wrong with it. Turned it on one day, doesn't work. You can have it." And what I told him was, "No, I can't have it." I said, "I can try to fix it. I'll give it back to you. I might be able to offer you some cash for it or something if I really want it. But I can't just have it. But I will take a look at it." So far, I turned it on, and the fan's working, the lights are on, it says channel A is active, channel B is active, power is on. This is a PV, like 1100 horsepower, 1100 watts. And I used to play guitar through this at my brother's old house. He had this hooked up to a couple of PA speakers, and then he had an Alesis Quadraverb, which was awesome. I almost bought one not long ago. But anyway, this thing is fucking cranks. It's a PV, it's a workhorse. So, well, I'm gonna have to hook up some speakers to it, some kind of input. So I gotta go get some kind of speakers to hook to this. I don't think I have a cord long enough to reach. Probably gonna have to bring the cabinet over here. Alright, hold on. Oof. I left it on while I carried this cabinet in here, and oof, smells like it's burning, fellas. Ladies, which I doubt there's any watching this. Anyway, I brought a cabinet in here. It's a 4x12, but two speakers are hooked up to it. They're 8 ohm, and I think it's a 4 ohm load. So I gotta check that, and then figure out what's going on with the loads on this amp, see if we can match it up or what's up. And BRB. Okay, I've got, like I said, this is 8 ohms, this cab. And this says it can go down all the way to 2 ohms. Like I said, I remember this being really loud, but I don't know, man. There's a smell going on here. Let me get a guitar and hook it up and see what happens. I don't know how I'm going to do with this without another hand, but... Hey, Wrecker, grab the guitar with the fucking hot pickups in it into an amp that you already think's burning. That's probably a good idea. Anyway, got this hooked up. The level is all the way down. And we're in, I don't know, stereo or defeat mode. Stereo, enable, defeat, stereo, or bridge. Oh, okay, cool. We're just going to leave it where it's at. I'm going to find out what happens here. I'll go ahead. Alright, let's turn this on. Let's hopefully we won't get killed here. Okay, I hear the fan. Everything is on the guitar. Hey man, if you're doing this shit, don't do what I'm doing right now. Especially with a PA thing like this and stuff. Especially hot pickups going right into it and everything. You're gonna fucking blow something. Just don't unplug it, you know what I mean? Plug it all in before you turn the shit on. And then don't fucking unplug it until until it's off. So I'm gonna turn the level up on this a little bit. Let's see. And don't get on my ass because this guitar is out of tune. I know it is. Plus it's tuned down to D. Alright, well right now on channel A, channel A input, I'm getting nothing. So I turn both the levels up a little bit. I'm still getting nothing. You would think I would be getting something. I know this chord's good, all that good stuff. Well, let's try channel B. Okay. BRB. Okay. Now we're on channel B. Everything's turned up on the guitar. Let's turn this on. Wow. Whoa, this fan sounds a lot stronger all of a sudden. Yeah, I gotta take this apart regardless of what happens, because this thing has been sitting. Obviously, you guys can see the cobwebs and everything. I'm gonna turn this level up, see if we get anything. We got nothing. But boy, is that fan cooking. Alright, this is the test. I'm gonna shut everything down, get some shit out of my way, clean off my workbench. We're gonna open this fucker up, see what we can find out.